Hey, welcome back to AHR 2022. My name is Jason. I'm the Vice President of Commercial Sales. With me today is Judd Vale. He's with Combustion Service and Equipment out of Philadelphia. CSNE is our rep for Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Delaware, and South New Jersey. So, Judd, appreciate you joining us. Tell us a little bit about CSNE.
Thanks for having me, Jason. So we are a manufacturer's rep firm. We specialize on the boiler side of the industry. So our main focus is boilers, boiler exhaust. We do get into pumps, heat exchangers. We do a lot with waste heat recovery. So essentially anything on the boiler side, that's what we do in Pennsylvania, South Jersey, and Delaware.
Awesome, appreciate it. Yeah, so I wanted to have Judd join us today as we take you around the mechanical room, and we can do all kinds of stuff from draft controls, combustion air, overdraft system dampers, but we're going to focus on our connector draft system. This is a damper we introduced, that was probably almost 5 years ago now. Our second gen came out just about a year and a half ago. It's an all stainless steel draft damper. Goes in the connector, so now we're going to maintain pressure at the appliance rather than just in the system. And this has really allowed the efficiencies that you're expecting out of your boiler to be seen throughout the firing rate, no matter what the outdoor temperatures are. It takes a lot of the variables out of the equation. So it is all 316L. It does come with a Viton seal gasket, built-in controller transducer, and CSNE has done a lot of these damper systems throughout the years, and just want to get your take on kind of what you've seen in the field and how it's helped you guys.
It's a pretty amazing piece of equipment, to be honest with you, Jason. So to be able to decouple the exhaust from a boiler system has more benefits than most people can even shake a stick at. So if you got multiple boilers tying in, if you have a huge stack that runs up through a building where you're going to create a lot of draft, it doesn't matter what's happening after this damper. And it's all encompassing, so the controller's mounted, your pressure tubes, your sensor. As soon as you power it, you wire it to the boiler. We're going to set it up to maintain a 0, to maintain a slight negative, to maintain a slight positive. Whatever this specific boiler wants, you program it, and this actuator and damper will maintain that draft at all times. So you get a call for heat, the damper kicks on, the boiler's going to heat up. The boiler's going to kick on. Once that air starts going, it's going to sense the air, it's going to open the damper, and it modulates the maintained pressure at all times. So if you got 5 boilers and only one's firing, it doesn't matter what's happening in the rest of the exhaust. The boiler's going to get the absolute perfect pressure that it wants, which increases the boiler efficiency as well. And in that same breath, when you have these multiple boilers tied in, when the damper is not on, it can be programmed to be shut. So this prevents flue gas going through any boilers that are not currently operating. And we put these on any jobs we're common venting, any jobs that have a deep negative, and it has really been a lifesaver. It really gets rid of those nuisance boiler alarms that you see from the draft pulling the flame off, from there being too much draft, not enough draft. So we use it a lot, and we're appreciative you guys came up with it.
Yeah, no, we appreciate what CSNE does for us on all of our products, but specifically on the CDS2. And so if you have any questions about the CDS2 or any of our products, check us out at usdraftco.com or rmmanifold.com. Come back. In a few hours, we're going to post with another guest to talk about stairwell pressurization controls, which we appreciate you joining us. If you're in Vegas, stop by booth C3847. And Judd, appreciate you coming out.
Thanks for having me.
Enjoy the show, brother.
See you.
Take
too.
care.